What's up YouTube? Mimi here, coming at you from my channel, Bunny Birdy Gator. You guys, I'm in my favorite Family Dollar, and besides seeing a few new fall items, we also have a bunch of new Halloween items, creepy cloths for $1. We have the little dollar tinsel decor, the bats, we have dollar stickers, we have the pumpkins. We're definitely going to take a look at the new $5 doormats. Those are always cute. So this is going to be kind of like a fall and a Halloween video, but I wanted to come over here and show you guys that all the Halloween candy is in a whole aisle of it. A whole bunch. And most of this is $5 candy. However, we do have some big bags, 135 pieces that are $10 bags. But then we also have $1 candy corn. We have $1 boxes of Warheads. We have Reese's. We have the pumpkins. We have gummies. But let's go over here and start on this aisle right here. I think I want to start with the doormats. The doormats are so nice. Okay, we have Welcome. That one's really pretty. Again, these are $5. It's recycled rubber, and it has rubber on the back. Someone must have taken this down. Okay, let's move this out of our way. We also have Home Sweet Home, black and kind of a green golden color and orange. Do we have anything else? Oh, we do. Okay. We also have Happy Harvest. I think we have a little truck in here too. Oh my gosh, you guys, this one is so cute. It looks like it's done on a chalkboard. We have Welcome with the blue truck. It's very sketchy and chalkboardish. We have the apples and the big pumpkins in the back. Which one is your favorite? I think my favorite is the truck. It's just so cute. Look at that. And this is about how big it is. 15 by 25. These are so cute. Okay, I'm gonna put these back and then we're gonna look at the other stuff. I put the rugs away, so let's look at some more stuff. These are $5 each. They're so cute. It says Welcome. They are really tall, up to my chest. Wow. $5. We have the dollar tinsel web, the dollar paper lanterns, fright tape. It says caution. Cute little ghosty. The little masquerade masks. Has a little strap on the back. Black with red, purple with purple, and pink with pink. And then we have the little scarves. Now, a lot of these items can also be found at the sister store at Dollar Tree, but some of these items are exclusive to Family Dollar. These are cute. Sweet and spooky, just $1. Trick or treat. The pumpkin. It's usually just 3 varieties for these. We also have the child size masks for Avengers, Batman, and Iron Man. Just $1. And more dollar decor. Home of a spooky witch, one handsome devil, and their ghoulish goblins. And then we have this one, Black Hat Society, and Come In for a Spell. This can go back over here. Oh, we have the little paint sets too for $1. Trick or Treat, Sugar Skull, and a little pumpkin. And then we have some cute stickers too for $1. 12 sheets. Aw, so cute. So cute. We have more DIY items up here. A ghost, a witch in the cauldron. We have a sugar skull in the back, a really pretty one, and a pumpkin. A lot of these items want to keep falling down. These are $1. Tattoos, face tattoos. That's a really good idea. The scars and everything, just $1. You don't have to mess around with paint. The creepy cloths, some are kind of gray and the others are black. We also have the little headbands for $1. The little dress-up kits for $5. Wings, headbands, and skirts. We have the butterfly. We have the ladybug back there, the bumblebee, hooded masks, $5. We have this guy, her. I think we have a green one. Kitty tails. Unicorn tails. What else? Double. These guys, these are $3. They're calling them light up mini ghouls. Those are the ones that were down there. I think their little hanger came out, so that's why they're sitting down. I tried to hang them back up, but the hangers were kind of funny. We also have the little yard stakes, metal yard stakes for $3. The cat and the pumpkin. And we have, what does that say? Boo to you. Boo to you. Then we have skeletons or hands for $1. We have the little skeleton animals. $5 for the owls, the dogs. Witch's broom, lollipop with poppin' candy. 3 pouches. This is the first time it's ever been in a package like this. 3 pouches. $5 lanterns. $1 spider web. We put some of this in our tree last year. It was so much fun, but it was really, really hard to get out. Garland, $1 garland. We have a couple different shades, oranges and burgundies. The little light up ghosts. We have a light up pumpkin or jack-o'-lantern. We have a light up skull. We have a candle that as it melts looks like it turns red, or maybe it sloughs off a layer of the black. And then this one has red underneath. It looks like it's glowing almost. That's kind of a cool concept. That would be kind of cool to do with a lot of different things, not just skulls, but these are well done. These are actually really well done. And this is my first time ever seeing those. Okay, what else do we have? I showed you guys the little pumpkins. We have burlap pumpkins. We have the little $1 skull fencing. Lots of picks and garlands. These are new. The metal leaf, $3 leaf. We have harvest. And then we have a pumpkin back there that says welcome. And then these little cute yard stakes for $3. The $1 metal door hangers. And you guys definitely check out some of my Family Dollar fall videos if you want to see all of this in detail, because I did show everything. The only thing I can say that's new since last time is this spiced pumpkin little air wick dupe. If you want your house to smell pumpkin-y, here we go. Look, you guys, we have the Christmas packaging here for the coloring books. That's pretty smart. That way, roll these over into Christmas. Oh, and we have the little scarecrows. The scarecrows. Let's look at one. They're $5. There's a little bamboo. They're calling them 60-inch scarecrows. They're pretty cute. Look at this little one. We'll let his legs hang out. Isn't he cute? Just sitting on the edge there. I think that's it, you guys. Let's just see if there's anything over here that I missed that's fall related. Again, just all the candy, $2.25, Tootsie Roll Pops, Kitty Mix, Double Bubble. We have Dum Dums, Blow Pops, the peanut and peanut butter lovers 55-piece bag for $10. Krabby Patties, $2 a bag. $1 candy up there. The Haribos, the super cute light up Warheads chewy sour candy tubes. These are usually just $1. What's in his mouth? Oh, I guess that's the little light. Thank you so much for joining me here in Family Dollar. Let me know what you want to see next, and I'll come back and show you whatever it is that you want to see. We do have a small selection of back to school items, but it's right here when you walk in. And then also on this aisle here, the stationery aisle, they have lots of back to school items as well. Definitely check out the Family Dollar app, because if I'm remembering right, they've been having a lot of nice deals on pens and other things too. They have tons of $1 items here for back to school as well. But anyways, you guys, that's it for me. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.